Hey, it's Mallory, product expert at Binding 101, and today we will walk you through how to make a soft cover or perfect bound book with the FastBind Elite Hot Melt Binding Machine. To do this, you will need the FastBind Elite Binding Machine, your pre-made wraparound soft cover, your printed book block pages, and EVA binding glue. You can find links for all of these items in the description. First, place your glue into the tank and allow it to melt. This typically takes between 7 to 10 minutes. Now place your pre-made cover into the mobile turning station with your book cover and spine down. Then place your printed book block into the cover. Press the clamping bar against the stack, lifting the handle to lock it in place. Now rotate the station back to expose the front cover and spine and crease along the edge of your cover. Pull the rougher on the left to micro slit along the spine of your book. Now pull the gluer on the right over your book and back. Rotate the station back towards you and press the handle all the way down firmly. This presses your book block spine into the spine of the cover. Release the handle and clamping bar to remove your book from the bottom of the station. Your document is now bound and ready for trimming and finishing. The FastBind Elite can also be used to make hardcover books, tape-bound books, and tear-off notepads. Visit binding101.com or call the number on your screen for more information.